Half hour, but right now, are you in the process of selling your home or buying a new home? Need some help? Just pick up the phone. Team McClintock with FC Tucker Emge Realtors can be reached at 812-433-3456, 1-800-959-1414. Nice to welcome Carol. Happy belated New Year.
Happy New Year.
Okay, we're going to sell our home. First thing you always say, get rid of the clutter. Why is that so important?
And we're going to talk a little bit more extensively about that today. New year, new home. So, you know what today is perfect for? Today is perfect for staying inside and going
you gotta
through.
Do something, right?
Yeah, you got to do something. Get off the couch. You don't want to go outside and really start to look at our stuff.
Right.
And what we need to get rid of. We all have way too much of it. You know, Lloyd and I have some little systems we use to try to keep it out.
Right.
When we bring something new in, we got to throw something away. But each and every one of us annually needs to go through our closets, our drawers, and really clean out. The other thing that we get really overly attached to is, and we see this a lot in houses, and we've talked about this before, is a lot of greenery and things on top of kitchen, you know, on the very top of kitchen cabinets. Those kinds of things that are just going to close in. And you'll be a lot happier if you're not looking at all that stuff.
I got you. And especially with the holidays in the rearview mirror.
Right.
Eventually take the tree down, right?
Yeah, let's get it down.
Let's get rid of all the lights and so forth. What are some of the most common mistakes? And when you say clutter, you're talking just not little small stuff, but there might be a big thing that say, hey, move that.
Yeah. Well, yeah, exactly. When we look at listing a house, when we're going to list a house, we want people to be able to move through a home without getting obstructed. And a lot of times people will have a lot of little side tables. Yeah, we've got some pictures. Oh, doesn't that look nice?
Right.
Nice, clean.
Very inviting.
Yeah, there isn't anything in the way. So when someone goes in to look at the home, they can move through freely. They don't get stopped by, you know, grandma's rocking chair or something that we've held on to for a long time. And I know these things are important. Right. Find something small that grandma had that you can keep, a small keepsake as a memory, and try to open up.
It's a new home, new year, and also we want to talk about colors, maybe combinations that don't or might work. We've got all kinds of, hey, don't put it off. Give her a call. Team McClintock, FC Tucker Emge Realtors can be reached right now. These are the numbers. Give us a call. The lines are open as Ask the Expert continues right after this. Team McClintock, FC Tucker Emge Realtors is our guest, talking about getting that home ready to sell. Okay, there are a lot of things that we just can't get rid of. They're too important. But again, they need to be maybe put in a cabinet or a closet, right?
Right.
What are some tips?
Well, everything needs to have a place. So I'll go to a lot of homes, and I go into the bathroom, and there are medicine bottles all over, hairbrushes. I mean, all the stuff out. You know, folks, it doesn't take that long every day to pull a drawer out and figure out, you know, what medicine we need to take. And, you know, just cleaning those things up, it's going to make you feel so much better and so much easier to keep clean without having all that stuff on counters.
Great tip. Let's go to the phones. Here's Lynn in Evansville. Lynn, thank you for waiting. Go ahead.
Yes, thank you for taking my call.
You bet.
My husband and I are empty nesters. And we love our home, but we feel we would like to downsize.
Yes.
The issue has become that we don't want to sell our home and then take a chance on finding something we like, because we've looked on and off for 2 or 3 years and had some problems with that.
Yeah.
What are our options for not getting stuck with 2 mortgages, you know, if we buy one and trying to sell this one? Or other ways to handle that situation?
Well, I know people hate to hear this, but sometimes financially it is the least stressful. You know, yes, it's stressful to move, but it can also be financially stressful to own 2 homes. Because you really, honestly, the market is fabulous right now, but you don't know when the market might take a turn. And say you go ahead and buy something and you haven't sold yours, then that's that's not a good situation. So it probably would be less stressful. Certainly you could continue to look for something as you have your house listed. But if you don't find something, you might want to face that alternative of having to go into a rental for 6 months to a year until you do find something. And honestly, I think financially that is probably a very good move for a lot of people.
Lynn, we wish you the best and we appreciate the call. Okay, final tips. Again, you say it's a great time to buy, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We're getting a lot of calls with people wanting to list. You know, I was on appointments yesterday, will be, of course, and every other realtor is as well.
Sure.
So there's going to be new houses coming on the market. We're going to see a surge in previously owned homes because the cost to build is going up. When you consider, Mike, the hurricanes, the
right.
Forest fires in California and all of that. So, of course, everyone's 401ks look better, so there's more money to spend on building as well. But we're going to see that continue to grow.
For all your home needs, buying or selling a home, you couldn't do better. Check out Carol McClintock and FC Tucker Emge Realtors, the McClintock team at 14news.com on our Ask the Expert page. Carol, on this very chilly day, thanks for your expertise.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in.